Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take long screenshot in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, I'm here opening my Google. Search anything in my Google. Now down this and select here is capture. Select your long screenshot. Now take your screenshot as long as you want. Then press on save. That's it. So this is how to take long screenshot in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.